Fluidmaster introduces the new PRO45H fill valve. The PRO45H is an improvement over the PRO45 and 400A fill valve. It's quieter and adjusts the bowl water spot for a more powerful flush. The PRO45H works on toilets from 1.0 to 3.5 gallons per flush, and the water control knob makes it easy to gain the water spot. Tank water control and now with bowl water control are achievable with the PRO45H.